What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking in from Aquatica Orlando, and today is opening day for Riptide Race, a brand new water slide. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go! Alright, so it's about 8:40. Got in line at about 8:07 in the morning. Hopefully toll booths are going to be opening up, and then we're going to get to the front entrance. Alright, so parking just opened up a couple minutes ago, and we're walking in. It's currently 53 degrees. What are we doing? Beautiful morning. Park is opening up at 9 a.m. And we're in. Awesome stuff. All right, so we're at the decision point. We're going this way because that is where the slide is. And the rope drop just happened. Running of the bulls. There we go. And here we are. Riptide Race. And here we are directly underneath this thing. Just look at that. Awesome. And here we are. We're in the queue. All right, we're just about ready to ride. Ride operators about to do a test, and then we're on. And there we go, success. There we go. Let's go, baby. Let's do this. A lot of stairs to climb. This is the tallest racing slide around. Ride instructions right there for single and doubles. And here we are, we're at the top. And these are the first riders ever. So they will weigh you beforehand. And here we go.
Riders must be at least 42 inches, 1.07 meters in order to rock. Riders between 42 inches, 1.07 meters, and 30.
I was not ready for this. It's a good way to wake up. You ready? You ready? Let's go. Woo! This is a long slide. Woo! Awesome stuff. All right, so we just did Riptide Race, one of the sides, and I really liked it. I love how you can actually see there the people flying by. It's not too fast, but it's not really slow. It's a very long slide. And I liked it so much, I'm doing it again right now. All right, and here we go. Time to do the other side. Awesome stuff. You got soaked on that one. Alrighty, so just had a chance to do the other side. Awesome. But in my opinion, I like blue a little bit better. It's a little bit faster. Still a great long slide though. Highly recommended. As you can see, I'm in line again. Alright, now we're doing a double. Double should go a little bit quicker. Ready? There we go. Much quicker off the bat. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a lot quicker. Oh my God. Okay, yeah, that's a lot quicker. Much better. Oh my God, don't get really sad. I know. Oh, that's great. All right, so just did blue side again. This time with 2 people. It is so much better. So much quicker. Better forces in the turns. Awesome, awesome stuff. And here we go on the other side. Whoa, much quicker. Get some air time. Good G's. There we go, splashdown. Woo! All right, so just had a chance to do the other side now with 2 people. Again, great G-forces, good speed, little pops of airtime here and there too. I love the fact that you can see the other people crisscross and then you race them as well. Riptide Race, overall, great addition here to Aquatica.
Riders must ride in the lead position of the tube.
Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Aquatica Orlando for Riptide Race, the brand new water slide that just opened up. I love it. I think it's a lot of fun. I think it's a great fit for the park. It's not the biggest, tallest, fastest thing, but it is a lot of fun. Good length to it, longer slide too. Kids are going to enjoy it, mom's going to enjoy it, dad's going to love it, grandma's going to love it if she rides it too. So yeah, of course we're going to have more videos from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.